So far, the scientific community knew that oxygen could be produced only by plants and algae by the process of photosynthesis. However, a new discovery has been brought into existence, and this is a landmark discovery because it talks out about production of oxygen without the process of photosynthesis. How does it happen and where this discovery was done? So in the regions of Clarion-Clipperton Zone, which is nearly a zone of 4.5 million square kilometers in the Pacific, there is coal-like mineral rocks which are present at the ocean bottom, and they are nearly 4,000 meters below the Earth's surface. Now these rocks have polymetallic nodules. Now these polymetallic nodules actually, when they react with seawater, there is a process of electrolysis that takes place and oxygen is released. Now this helps us to understand how self-production of oxygen can take place and helps us to move or boost the economy towards green economy. So wherever there are sources of polymetallic nodules, there are chances that oxygen production can take place. To help this, scientists actually extracted some of the polymetallic nodules from the regions of Clarion-Clipperton Zone, and they just put that in seawater and have platinum electrodes connected to it. Now when the platinum electrodes were connected to it and electricity was passed, what happened was there was electrolysis of water, separating water into hydrogen and oxygen, and this was how this oxygen formation actually takes place using the polymetallic nodules. So this dark oxygen under the sea has become a recent innovative topic, highly important for your green energy future perspectives, and even this is a very important case study that you can cite in your answer writing, specifically for geography and geology students. We would be covering many such interesting topics for you. Stay tuned.